Okay, everyone, shoes on. We're going to the market.
Already? Yes, already. We need food for dinner. What are we making? Something delicious. But first, we need to buy the ingredients. Can I push the cart?
There's no cart at the market, Peter. It's an open market. You carry a basket.
A basket? Like Little Red Riding Hood?
Exactly like that. But no wolves today, please.
I'll be the wolf!
You'll be the helper. Let's go.
Wow! Look at all of this! It's so colorful and loud.
And it smells amazing.
That's fresh bread over there. And those are herbs. Smell this, Peter.
Ew! Ah! What is that?
Rosemary. It's a plant. We use it for cooking.
It smells like a forest.
Exactly. Chefs love it.
Can I eat it? No, not like that. Okay, first stop. Vegetables.
Good morning. What do you need today?
Good morning. Can I have some tomatoes, please?
Of course. How many?
6, please. And some onions, too.
Big onions or small?
Small, please. They're sweeter. Good choice.
Here you go.
How much is that?
That's $2.50, please.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mom, how did you know small onions are sweeter? Your grandma taught me. She was an excellent cook. Better than you?
Much better.
Don't tell Dad.
I heard that.
Good eyes, Anna.
Can I ask this time?
Of course. Go ahead. Excuse me. Can I have some carrots, please?
Sure. How many do you want?
5, please. Yes. Potatoes, too. 4 big ones.
Coming right up. That's $1.80.
Here. Keep the change.
Thank you. I'm learning. She thought you were serious. am serious. Me too. And watermelon. Because it's the size of your head. My head is not that big.
It's close.
Dad.
Okay. A small watermelon. Deal?
Deal. Excuse me, do you have strawberries today? Yes!
Fresh this morning. Look at these.
Oh, they're beautiful. How much for one box?
$3 a box.
I'll take 2 boxes, please. And 1 small watermelon.
Good choice. The watermelon is very sweet today. Just arrived.
Perfect.
Perfect. How much altogether? That's $8, please.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Mom, can I eat 1 strawberry now?
Just 1. Just 1.
Just 1. Just 1. Just 1.
Okay. Almost done. We just need bread and eggs.
I can see the bread. That bread looks amazing. Can we get some?
That's the bakery. Yes. Let's go.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. Can we have 1 loaf of sourdough bread, please?
Of course. Anything else? Anything else? Do you have cheese bread?
We do. Huh. Just baked 10 minutes ago.
Oh, we'll take 1 of those too.
Excellent choice. That's $4 total.